How to fix Roblox not sending two-step verification code. The first thing I would like you to check is your internet. Sometimes slow internet causes the issue. And the next step is check for network. So right above at the top left corner, right beside my Wi-Fi symbol, you can see my network symbol. It says 2 bar, that means I have network. But in your case, if it shows 0 bar, then that's the case why you're not getting the verification code if you're trying to verify via your phone number. If it is on your email, if you just have Wi-Fi, it will get verified. And the next thing is, if you try to send yourself a two-step verification code too many times, like within 1 hour, let's say you try to send yourself a code 5 or 6 times within an hour, Roblox will think somebody is trying to hack your accounts, so they're not going to send a verification code for the next 24 hours. It's for like a security reason, so you need to wait for 24 hours. But if you have not done that, what you can do is simply just delete your Roblox app and reinstall it again. Sometimes like a little bug causes the issue, so deleting and reinstalling the app will fix it, or just waiting for 24 hours will fix your issue. So that's how we guys can fix Roblox not sending two-step verification code. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.